Yoga mat for travel. This 2 mm thick non-toxic PVC yoga mat easily folds into a 10 inches by 12 inches square, making it the ideal travel yoga mat. Fits in carry-on bag. This foldable yoga mat easily fits in your carry-on or overnight bag, also a great alternative to a traditional rolled mat to save space. Folding yoga mat. Mat folds up nicely, making it perfect for weekend getaways, extended retreats or trips across town, in the park or on the beach. Sticky texture. Features a sticky texture that provides stable footing on the go. Dimensions. 68 lx 24 W by 2 mm thick, weight equals 1 pound. Top reviews from the United States. I love my new Gaia travel mat. What first caught my eye about this Gaiam travel mat, in addition to the beautiful blue color, was the fact that it only weighs 1 pound and it folds into a compact square for very easy portability. For me, it is the perfect travel mat. It is a nice size and it folds up quickly and easily. I trust the Gaiam brand name. It is a great yoga company that offers good quality yoga mats at very accessible prices. I like the fact that the mat is perforated for easy folding. At first, it felt a little slick compared to my regular sticky yoga mat, but once I cleaned it, I discovered that I enjoyed the feel of the fabric and I noted that it keeps me stable in my poses. I admire the fact that it is an earth-friendly mat that is made of PVC. 6P free. Free of DEHP, DBP, BBP, DINP, DIDP, and DNOP phthalate, which is important when you are deep breathing face down on a yoga mat and inhaling, or in this case not inhaling, phthalate. I recently took the mat with me on a trip to North Carolina and I did yoga every day. What a treat. I highly recommend the Gaiam Yoga travel mat.